Meditation with eyes open. Meditation with open eyes is very simple. Just sit quietly and look at a tree, for instance. Something that really doesn't interest you in the way of giving you something. Like no profit orientation. There are people who cannot even look at a tree without profit motivation. They think how much you can sell the timber for. What I mean to say is just to sit and not expect anything from something and just look at it carefully. You'll see many things going on there. And also listen. When you sit quietly in the night, when there is no other sound, there's only the sound of the crickets on the tree. Believe me, there are many things going on in that tree. Somebody, Krishnamurti said, can you listen to the sound of the trees when there is no breeze? But normally when there is no breeze, you don't hear anything. But you hear many things if your mind is quiet. So when I was with Babaji, the first meditation he gave me was to look at the river, the flowing river. I used to just sit there and allow my mind to move with the water. What does it do to you? It can do different things to different people. I can't define what it did to me. I can say, I realized that the whole of this universe, the movement of life is a flow. And the problem is when we try to stop it. You know? You just see it, you're just aware of it. The Zen Buddhists have a way of meditation with open eyes which is quite deliberate, not like this. They put a black dot on a blank wall and keep looking at it. Many things happen. Sometimes the black dot comes out. It's not coming out, but you feel coming out, going back. Sometimes it shifts and sometimes it just disappears and you're staring at the blank wall. The ultimate intention is that the objects disappear and there is only that which is. So these are some of you go to the ocean, just sit down and watch the waves. Count the waves, as they say. Lazy guys who don't have anything to do like me, we sit and count the waves. Or go to a railway station or to an airport and sit and watch the people who are going. It's interesting, what all kinds of people. Once I went to the Wisconsin University, my brother-in-law was teaching there, and there's a place outside the canteen near the restaurant where it's raised high, where there are tables. You can sit down and order your coffee or tea or whatever. So, and there's a path that comes from there, from below. And from a certain distance, you cannot see people sitting here. When you turn the corner, then you see there are people here. So I and my brother-in-law were sitting and having, it was very interesting. And that path is used by many people to sprint, to run and to walk. So you see people coming from there, they can't see you. They can see you only when they turn the corner. It's very interesting. Then they see you. You see? Just by observing, you see much of life. When they see you, then from there. So these are some of the ways to meditate with your eyes open. They give us many revelations. Go to a church, sit down and watch the service. People are sitting. After 15 minutes, you will see that the man who's conducting the service is bored stiff to death because he has to do it every day. But the person sitting are very devout. You see many things by sitting with your eyes open.
What about blinking, or do you just you don't blink? Or?
That is like a form of yogic exercise, to look at something without blinking. Here I am saying not to do anything deliberate, but just to be.